Hey guys, this is Ian from Umami Ninja, and today we want to introduce you guys to Karemeshi series. There's a proper way to make this, so I want to teach you. So here we go. That's it guys, that's how it should look like. Perfect. And also there's a line right here. It's actually in the inside. You can't see it right now, but where the liquid is, that's where you should pour the water too. Don't forget to mix for at least a minute, and it'll make this like consistent, just like that. And it's ready to go. Let me try it out. And that was hash curry rice. Not curry, but hash rice. It was pretty good. Until next time, guys.